A lot of you are probably wondering why I started another channel when I already had a Rookie Handyman which was working perfectly fine, and I want to clear something up right away. This isn't because I was burned out, it's not because I got bored, and it's definitely not because I saw some shiny object out there on YouTube and I started chasing it. No. The truth is a little bit different. My main channel, Rookie Handyman, was growing. The views were there, the skills were there, I had a great amount of audience, and I had 200, 300,000 views each month. But something just felt incomplete. I realized I was teaching people what to do, how to fix things, how to build things, how to do something practical. But I was not teaching people how to build something long term by doing what they love. And this started bothering me. And then I also become getting questions from friends and family about this YouTube process. Questions like, how do you upload these videos? How long does it take for you to make that video? What kind of videos do you post out there? What kind of thumbnail and title do you put on your videos? And I had friends, one had a hiking channel, one had a channel about teaching people how to speak German language. When I got questions from them, like practical questions about YouTube, then I realized I really have this experience that I can share with people. And when you think about these questions that I got from my friends and family, questions like, what should I post? Why am I stuck? I am discouraged. I don't know what to post on YouTube. If you are starting your YouTube channel, or if you are just under 1,000 subscribers, chances are that you have been asking these questions yourself. So many times we find ourselves in a position where we just don't know what to make next, or we don't know why something isn't working, we don't know why something is working when it's working, and we just feel this constant grind of unknown, and we don't know what move to make next. Let me say something that may sound strange about YouTube. Most creators, they don't need more views. They don't need those viral hits, and they don't need millions of subscribers. What they really need is a simple direction, simple strategy, monetization skills, what kind of monetization can they apply to their channel, and they need structure. That's basically it. You only need these 4 things, and this is exactly what we focus on in Creators Forge community. We start by giving you a clear picture where your channel is right now and what steps you need to do next in order for your channel to grow. You are surrounded by creators who are on similar path as yours, and you get real support, real feedback, and real answers, not just some guesswork. But if you are asking yourself what this YouTube channel is all about, what can you get out of this YouTube channel? On this channel you will hear simple answers to questions like, what should I post? How do I stop overthinking? How do I not quit? How do I use my experience, my knowledge, my thing that I'm doing, my hobby, and turn it into something that will be appealing for people on YouTube for them to watch me? You will learn things about clear positioning, simple content system, what actually works behind the scenes, and how to keep going in this long YouTube game without burning yourself out. This channel right here is for people who want to build something real on YouTube, a real business, but who also want to build it slowly, intentionally, and in a sustainable way without burning out, which is the most important part. So if you are a complete beginner, if you are under 1,000 subscribers, and if you are not sure what you're doing on YouTube, if the things that you are doing are the right things to do, and if you are not sure how to grow on YouTube, you're in the right place. And the first thing that you have to do is you have to build trust with your audience. If you are not sure how to build trust with your audience, check out this video right here, because here I will show you how to grow connection with your audience from your experience, from your expertise, even if you are just starting out on YouTube.